buddies, it's me, Titi. Today we are going to make apple sandwiches. These apple sandwiches make a great snack or a small meal, and they come together so quickly and easily. Remember that Titi wants you to be extra safe in the kitchen, so make sure you always have a grown-up there with you to help out. Let's get started. Take your apple and turn it onto its side. Now we're gonna cut it in slices through the middle to get circular pieces of apple that will be the outside part of our sandwiches. Cut your slices between 1/4 and 1/2 inch thick, depending on the size of your apple. Now repeat the process for as many other apples as you want to use. Now take your knife and cut out the little piece of the center that has the core. Now we have the bread of our sandwiches, which are these apple slices, and now it's time to fill them up. So for my filling, I like to use some creamy peanut butter. If you don't like peanut butter, or if you happen to be allergic, feel free to use any of your favorite nut or seed butters. And now for some toppings. I like to put some granola next to give it a little bit of crunchiness. You could use any type of store-bought granola here, or if you like to make your own homemade version, that would be great as well. Let's put some more toppings. I have here some raisins and some dried cranberries. I'll put some raisins on the first one. And I think some dried cranberries on this second one. And for this third one, how about a combination? And finally, for this last one, I saved a special treat: white chocolate chips and chocolate chips. We just have to complete the sandwich by putting the other apple slice on top. And there you have it. These apple sandwiches look amazing! What a quick and easy snack! Let's see how they taste. That's extra good! I love the sweetness of the apples combined with the creaminess of the peanut butter. The granola just gives the most fun crunch to the middle, and the raisins and cranberries just give a little pops of fruity flavor. Well, now I definitely have to try our super fun chocolate chip variety. That's extra good too. The chocolate chips go really well with the creamy peanut butter flavor. After all, what's better than peanut butter and chocolate chips? Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had so much fun making these apple sandwiches, and I hope you will give it a try at home too. And feel free to experiment with your own types of toppings. Don't feel like you're limited to just what I used today. I'll see you again soon, and happy creating!